Daing na Bangus. Pickled milkfish. A main dish from Philippines.
Serves 2.
You will need 6 ingredients. Step 1. Cut the fish lengthwise along the back, trying not to damage the skin. Place the fish in a shallow dish or marinating container, outer skin side down. Step 2. Combine the other ingredients, except the oil, and pour over the bangus. Marinate in the refrigerator 1 day or at least overnight. Turn the fish over once to marinate the open side as well. Step 3. Drain the bangus. Heat oil in a kawali or large frying pan. Fry the fish until golden brown. Step 4. Serve with hot rice and azara or eggplant salad. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.